You open the door and the colors dissolve. Every laugh in the room starts to fade or resolve into tight little knots at the back of the floor. Like a hand on the match, like a rum on the boat. Mistake with the crowd like a slow kind of scorn. Every glaze from the floor throws us out of our phone. Till the jokes fall flat and the chatter turns thin. We were almost alive, then you walk in. Hands on fire, hearts on ice before we could burn. But you got the knife, every small bright thing. You find the flame and you start. Nothing you touch can stay alive. Talk like a funeral just as his eyes. Every just being honest, a sharper like ice. You hang heavy words from the back chandeliers till the seat bends down with 1,000 fears. You weigh every style like a crime to confess, turn an easy hello to a failing test. They were halfway free, we were almost fine, and you crossed the floor and rewrote the line. Hands on fire, hearts on ice, project the bed. But you found the knife, every slow right thing. You find the flame and you start it out. Nothing you touch can stay alive. Maybe once you were hurt till the colors all dead. Now you crush every bloom just to match your own head. If you can't feel the sun, then you back out the sky. Better all of us empty and watch you cry. Hands on fire, hearts on ice, fire we could burn. But you've got the knife, every small bright thing. We find the flame, and you start it out. Nothing you touch